How to find favorites on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to find the favorites on Android, what you need to simply do is open up any browser. I'm going to go for Google Chrome over here and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Now after you log into your Google Chrome application, what you simply have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. So as you do that, here you can see different menus from New tab, Cognito tab, History, Delete Browsing Data, Downloads, Bookmarks, and so on. So what you need to simply do is tap on Bookmarks, and here you'll have different options and folders over here. So you can go for any of the bookmarks or the favorites to find. So here you can see one of the favorites on my Google Chrome browser. So that's how you find favorites on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.